Well, I'm back on this thing again. See that I done put the engine in and everything. Now I got a lot of figuring out to do. Uh, Other than that, that's what I'm doing today. Tomorrow, back at work. Vacation's over. Yep, vacation's over. So, tagging along with this thing, and yep, ain't too bad, but it's gonna take time. I gotta get a fuel pump. The motor had tilted over. And this what happened. Broke. I gotta get I gotta get a fuel pump. Yep. I sure hopefully have it back together for by the end of the month. Now I gotta find this bracket for my alternator bracket. I need to find that. Cause the engine in this car came out of 85 model. They had the compressor. I think it's like more like the bracket to hold the alternator. And other than that, I still got my Slant 6 Federal power steering pump. Crap away. Right now I'm just trying to. She'll whirl over and everything. She'll turn over, but it won't. No, it ain't gonna start. But when I turn the key, it won't say nothing. But I guess a friend of mine said something out. Everything gotta be fully grounded for it to well, it work out through the switch. I got the linkage on here. I gotta straighten it up. Straighten it out, but it fell over when I was pulling it with the truck with the cherry picker and these gravel rocks right here. It's been a pain in the neck with it, but other than that, yeah. But I was just letting you know how far I'm going with this old car, excuse me, and everything. So I got a distributor. I bought two. Got already sent me one, but this one here, this is for electronic. I think it has that electronic for the lean burn, I think, and it don't have a vacuum advance on. So I bought one that fit. They're working with this car, so everything. Yep. Yep. I'm getting there though. Well, I'm finna sign out and it ain't gonna be long. But I'm just letting people know what I'm doing with this old car.